Let's take a quick tour of Pioneer's 2020 lineup of NEX in-dash receivers with Alexa built in. This is the Pioneer DMH-WT 8600 NEX. It has a 10.1-inch floating touchscreen. This is the DMH-WT 7600 NEX, and it has a 9-inch floating touchscreen. This is the DMH-WC 6600 NEX, and it also has a 9-inch touchscreen. While the screen size is the same as the 7600, this one is not designed to be a floating screen. The 6600 NEX gives you installation flexibility with a main control chassis that can be separated from the screen, and the screen is designed to be flush-mounted in the dash. The 4660 NEX and the 4600 NEX both have a traditional tuned-in 6.8-inch touchscreen and a shallow mounting depth chassis that fits in the dash of tons of vehicles. Each of these Pioneer receivers has a capacitive glass touchscreen. Capacitive glass is like the glass on your cell phone. It delivers smooth and easy operation with high-quality video performance. The capacitive glass screen helps make the user interface fast and responsive. The user interface is highly customizable with colors and custom images. The home screen can be customized with live widgets for sports scores, the local weather, music sources, and even live performance data from your vehicle. All of these receivers have Alexa built in. You don't need to touch the screen, just say, "Alexa, what's the weather like in Annapolis, Maryland today?"
In Annapolis, Maryland, it's 84 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Tonight, you can look for just a few clouds in the sky with a low of 71 degrees.
These receivers all work with Apple CarPlay Wireless with a compatible iPhone. They also work with Android Auto Wireless with a compatible Android phone. They all work with the optional iDataLink Maestro RR or RR2 and with the optional Metra Access OEM integration unit. They have built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. They have built-in HD radio with on-screen album art and radio station suggestions. They work with SiriusXM satellite radio when you add on the optional SXV300 tuner for album art and replay mode. They play back high-resolution audio FLAC and WAV files up to 24-bit 192 kHz. And high-resolution DSD files up to 128 at 5.6 MHz. They also play back HD video content, all from USB-C. All of these receivers feature 3 sets of 4-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers, and a powerful suite of audio tools to customize the sound in your vehicle. Pioneer NEX in-dash receivers for 2020 with Alexa built in.